Hey, it's Locksmith here. We're going to change the button out on our 4-button remote-headed key here. With this task here, you will need a flat tip screwdriver. So, with that being said, if your key ring is attached, you don't have to take it off. Me personally, I prefer to take them off. They seem to get in the way. You want to look at your seam on your remote, and you'll come to an indentation right here. Go and put your flat tip screwdriver in there. And when you do, go ahead and twist it, and you notice it popped up a little. This remote here, come to the front and just twist it again. You'll get it all the way across. Then I like to just take the flat tip and go down the side of the remote, and on this curve here, just give it a nice little twist and it'll pop up. Run it around the side still, and there you go. Your seal's popped up. Don't worry, you can push it back in. On this here, you'll see you got the 3 little tabs, and this is the part that makes contact with the circuit board. Take your flat tip screwdriver, lift it under the corner, and just pop out the battery. And you notice that wants to come up with it. Go ahead and stop. Put your finger over there to hold that little piece down. Let me make sure I can get it in the camera view for you. I'm going to hold this little metal tab. There you go. That's why you don't want to lift by those metal tabs. This is a CR2032 battery, and this is a new remote, so that's just how they're made. Put your battery in, positive side down. Now that you have that, go ahead, look at the bottom. You'll see there's a little indentation here. That's where you want to hook into. And when you hook into it, push it in and down, and then slowly work your fingers around the remote. And you notice it's snapping together. Seams all together. And there you go. You've just changed your battery out on your remote. Hey, thanks again for watching SgtLocksmith. Go ahead and take a look at other videos we have posted. You might find something there. Go ahead and give us a thumbs up if you found this video helpful. Leave a comment letting us know we're reaching the people. Thanks again, and if you have any comments or questions or would like a video done, go ahead and look in the description below, and they'll actually have our email address for you. Thanks again for watching. Let's be safe out there.